So she want be a big dirty freak.
What she wanna do?
Yeah, me love you, the bitch she me need. Twerk on the ground, baby, me baby.
Yeah.
So she want be a big dirty freak.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the ready to be said boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? We are song from Teejay. The song is called B.D.F. Official music video like B.D.F Defense Force. That's good. If you don't watch my bitch. Anyways, make us see what we're going for that video right now. As I said, big up on yourself as usual. As I said, official music video. We like the video them. Teejay, a long time I don't see you get one of them big hit song there. As I said from Dip or the other big song of Teejay drop. I don't know. You see, so make us see if I hit this song just dropped like a couple of minutes ago, like I think 10 minutes ago when I do one video a while ago. I'm just stack up right now. With the 2 videos a while ago for post, I post them in the order when I do them. You see me just do the bad enhance song, hard work, and then we see this right after that, so you know what I do right now too. You see me, I say start them up. And if you see this video on the TyrekeReacts channel, check the TyrekeVlogs channel. That means I'm post over this too. You see me, I have 2 channels, I post reactions, but it's 2 of them. Other channels called TyrekeVlogs have 60,000 subscribers. This channel have 21,000 subscribers. Subscribe to both channels because we are drop video. We saw what go on. Fuck. Run through.
You play too much. I just want to be a big dirty freak right now. I just want to be nasty.
What you want to do? What you want to do?
Want be a. So she want.
Oh, B.D.F, big dirty freak. Me blood clot. Go on.
So she want be a. So she want. Say she ready, what a good night. Bad nigga top killer like shook night. She popular right, they can have a good vibes. And she not do in a
fat man, hold on.
top killer like shook night. She popular right, they can have a good vibes. And she not do in a nigga wanna move right.
Yeah.
She a suck it and a looking at me too high. Say her for she ever do it, girl you too lie.
Hey, cameraman, you know what you're going with done. I'll tell you this, so when me react to video, I want to say everything. Show them what I want to say. Oh yeah, not trouble.
Any animals get the mood right.
Yeah.
Mama says she done sold but me too bright. Says she want be a big dirty
I want to go on to what she go change clothes for. Me right, what she want be?
freak. Says she want be a big dirty freak. Says she want be a big dirty freak.
What she want to do?
Yeah, me love you, the bitch she me need. Twerk on the ground, baby, me baby.
Yeah.
Says she want be a big dirty freak. Says she want be a big dirty freak. Big dirty freak.
Alright.
You like that? She likes bitch, she like suck, she like cock, she like right bum body and brocky wine. She like right.
I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. But let me say, my last machine attack. It's alright. Me remember it again, I start attack too again. I will remember it again. Run it.
Bum body and brocky wine. Mama make me see the demons in her.
Yeah.
Done sold Papa Bill for the singer.
Sure.
And she say anything I need, BS me got ya. What's a video by your phone, make me watch ya. Girl bring out the rich rush in her.
Yeah.
Say she want be a big dirty freak.
Yeah.
Say she want be a big dirty freak. Twerk on the ground, baby, my baby. Say she want be a big dirty freak. 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 Say she ready, what a good night. Bad nigga top killer like shook night. She popular right, they can have a good vibes. And she not too in a nigga when I move right. She a suck it and a
You hear that, brother? If you not move right, she not in a yo. She pop pill and she do everything and she have a good time. But if you move like you want them to lay man, lift up. Get up now, get up, pussy, get up.
looking at me too high. Say her for she ever do it, girl you too lie. And the animals get the mood right. Mama says she done sold but me too bright. Says she want be a big dirty freak.
What she want?
Says she want be a big dirty freak.
She too lie.
Says she want be a big dirty freak. Yeah, me love you, the bitch she me need. Twerk on the ground, baby, me baby. Says she want be a big dirty
Guys, I got me low, you're the bitch for me need.
freak. Says she want be a big dirty freak.
Song done? like when the song them done in a dog. You know what I say that?
You play too much.
I don't like when the song them go done. I mean, me just start to enjoy myself. One buckle back, but I like the visuals, I like the girl in the video, I like the concept. You see me, I say, you have the right shot for the video. She's a big dirty freak for real. You see me, I say, because I say of Teejay, I like it. You know what I mean? I never know what B.D.F stands for until just now, so you teach me something new today. You see me, I say, well, people, what you thoughts on the video? What you thoughts on the reaction? If you like the reaction, please subscribe to the channel when I wrote to 100k subscribers. Anyone on my channel, when you see the video upon, any one of my channels that you see this video on, I'm trying to get both these channels to 100,000 subscribers. If it's a TyrekeReacts channel with 60,000, we're past halfway. If it's a TyrekeReacts channel, if it's a TyrekeReacts channel with 21,000, we're getting there. So subscribe. Support the local Jamaican boy. Soon another bumbuckler video done. I'm out.